What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, a lot to talk about in today's video. First and foremost, all of this volatility that we are seeing in the market, why it's happening, where we are going to go from here, and of course, we are also going to touch base on whether or not we are going to see this blow off the top, crazy price action when it comes to Shiba Inu, or if we are going to continue to trend in the direction at which we have been over the past couple of weeks. So if you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions about all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First and foremost, the elephant in the room. Why did this huge dip happen right here? And what does it tell us from a perspective of whether or not this volatility is going to continue? Well, the cryptocurrency market has been extremely odd over the past several weeks. Here is the chart for Shiba Inu. If we hop on over to Ethereum, this is our quote-unquote measuring stick for how the cryptocurrency market is doing. Again, some oddities, just a lot of volatility. Why? Because there is so much uncertainty. Unfortunately, throughout the past week or so, the Federal Reserve did end up coming out and they did what we thought they weren't going to do. If you guys remember my videos from a couple of weeks back, this was back in March, and I know I bored you guys so much back in that month because we talked so much about this federal funds rate, and everybody is like, rigor mortis, why do we care about what the Federal Reserve is doing? This is cryptocurrency, man. Take a chill pill. Well, guess what? We got a taste of that medicine because after the Federal Reserve came out and did what they needed to do, well, the cryptocurrency market didn't react so much. But this time around, we really got a taste of what that was because they did this half-point increase in the federal funds rate. If you guys don't know what that is, that essentially just means the borrowing rate or the interest rate that's put on loans when banks borrow from one another. And obviously, if a bank can borrow from another bank at a 0% interest rate, guess what they're going to do? They're going to borrow a ton of freaking money. But unfortunately, as that federal funds rate continues to climb, because that's how they're combating this horrendous inflation that we have in the US that's continuing to get worse actually, hopefully it will calm down over the next several months. But that's the matter at hand right now. As they combat that, guess what the banks do? They say, now that we have to pay an interest rate on some of this money that we're borrowing, well, we need to put the money in a pretty surefire bet in order to pay off those interest rate loans in a way that's not going to make us risk on. So what do? They pull their investments out of crypto, they pull their investments out of the stock market, and they invest in the 10-year treasury bond. It literally does not get any more boring than that if you ask me. But that's besides the point. When it comes to Shiba Inu, people ask me, okay, well, what does this have to do with us? Because we see what the broader cryptocurrency market is doing, but Shiba Inu is different, right? Not so much, folks. The fact of the matter is, after we hit that $10 billion market cap, Shiba Inu has been following the cryptocurrency market very closely. I always see these comments on my Twitter, on my YouTube page saying, whoa, rigor mortis, look at this token, X, Y, or Z token. That's completely defying all the odds. We have a red day. Look at this token that's doing incredibly well. Those tokens that are usually in their infancy, I'm not saying that they're not going to do well, but the reason why they are able to pump while the rest of the market is down is because they have an incredibly low market cap. Oftentimes, I'm not saying that's always the case, but that just goes to show you that yes, you can have tokens that pump on a bad day, but Shiba Inu isn't necessarily like that anymore. It's following the broader cryptocurrency market much more closely. We have this level of respect, this level of maturity when it comes to Shiba Inu. It's become a whole different ball game, folks. And that is why I am here to say that I do believe Shiba Inu is going to make an incredible recovery. All the stories, all the narratives are being set up perfectly right now, especially one that we are going to talk about today, which comes to the burn portal, when it comes to the burn portal. But that being said, right now it's just a weird state in the cryptocurrency market. It's not Shiba Inu alone that's struggling. It's the whole broader market, as well as the stock market, especially the tech heavy NASDAQ or the triple Q. So what can we look to in the future in order to really boost that price? Are we going to get this blow off the top, or are we going to continue to follow the broader cryptocurrency market? First and foremost, I do want to talk about some of these big catalysts that are coming in the pipeline, starting with one that's already in the pipeline. Shiba Inu owners flock to Burn Portal with more than or around 11 billion tokens removed from circulation. Absolutely massive. Roughly $251,000 that was burned through this Burn Portal, and the way they did this Burn Portal is incredible. You can earn passive income by burning your SHIB, and the way you generate that is through a token called Ryoshi, or Ryoshi's Vision. The way these tokens are coming together to really help the cause of Shiba Inu is absolutely incredible in my opinion, and I really love this idea with this Burn Portal where you can actually earn to burn. That is absolutely massive in my opinion, and it's just one of many catalysts that are in the pipeline right now that are coming to fruition slowly but surely. We had the Doggy DAO come out just several weeks ago, and now we are looking forward to Shibarium, which is our layer 2 solution. We're starting to see some of these promises that the developers made to us come to life, and that is what's so big when it comes to Shiba Inu. I can almost guarantee, I can't say for sure, but I am almost guaranteeing you guys, if we were called anything else, if this had a really cool tech sounding name other than Shiba Inu, people would be respecting this token so much more. But the fact that we had this crazy pump in May that was largely based off of meme token catalyst, and the fact that we're named Shiba Inu, it just makes it so that people don't respect us as much. If you look at some of the top cryptocurrency promoters or influencers or people that talk about crypto in the field, and you ask them their opinions about Shiba Inu, a lot of them, and I'm talking about the people that actually know their stuff pretty well, a lot of them will just say, yeah, Shiba Inu is a meme token. Nothing more, nothing less. And that's because they don't fully understand what this community, what this development team, and what all of us have been putting in terms of work when it comes to Shiba Inu. And that's what's setting us apart so much from the rest of these meme tokens, in my opinion, is the fact that we are building products, utility, that's really going to shake up the cryptocurrency industry. And I think this token remains in its infancy, and it's just a matter of time before we really do get that blow off the top crazy price action when it comes to Shiba Inu that we have seen in the past, as the market starts to react and says, hey, this token deserves to be a lot higher than it is right now. Even the graph speaks volumes because it looks exactly the same. You guys know what happened back in May. We had this huge pump, we cooled off, we waited for a few months, and then back in October, man, it was a wild, wild time. And you are starting to see the narrative being built just based off of this graph here. It's looking to be the same thing where we had this huge pump in price, cool down, and guess what's coming? Potentially another big pump. But obviously only time will tell. And that goes to show you guys that nobody really knows what's going on in this market. Nobody can time Ethereum. Nobody can time Bitcoin. Otherwise, they would be filthy, filthy, filthy rich. All we can do is speculate and estimate what we think is going to happen using our own thoughts and opinions and our own sentiments. But the most important thing is that you go out and do your own research and recognize that I am by no means a financial advisor. Please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. I know my upload schedule has been a little bit hectic. I'm going to try to become more consistent, but guys, things have just been really, really weird for me, but I am trying to get better, and I promise you over the next several weeks, I will try to be more consistent with the daily uploads, or at least every other day. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. As always, it's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I am out the scene, folks. Peace out.